So in computing, we often talk about CRUD as an acronym that stands for create, read, update, and delete data. Those are the four basic data operations that we use in computing. And for local storage, we can look at those same four operations. So let's look at creating data in local storage. So when we want to create data in local storage, we use set item, and set item takes two arguments, the key and the value. Both of those need to be strings. And so, for example, if we use local storage.setItem and we set name to the string bill, then that value will be stored in local storage. Let's take a quick look at what that looks like in code. Okay, so I've got a very basic page set up here that is designed to sort of reveal what's going on with our local storage. And it's got two divs over here, main text and local data. The local data one is set to always show us the exact keys and values that are in our local storage. So that's what that's going to display. And then main text is just for my use so that I can put specific things into local storage. So if I initialize the str stored variable as empty, then that allows the script to run without any error. You can see right now local storage is empty over here, and I'm not displaying anything in that inner text except for the empty variable there. So let's start with, again, creating data in local storage using this set item. So if I want to say local storage dot set item, and let's just use that name analogy or that name example. This name equals bill. When I save that, you can see there local storage now contains the key name and the value bill. I can go ahead and add another thing in there. Let's add another string, local storage dot set item. Again, keep in mind everything that you store in local storage always has to be a string. So both the key and the value need to be strings. So if I want to say city, let's say Bakersfield, good old Bakersfield. All right, save that. And there we go. Now you can see that we have the key city saved with the value Bakersfield. So that's how you store data in local storage or create data in local storage. So that satisfies the C in the acronym CRUD.